Welcome to the Dairy Analyzer program. This program is an interactive tool that can be used by consultants and veterinarians in the fields to evaluate the production and reproduction parameters for individual herds. The program can be accessed by entering in the URL dgalligan.com/fieldservice/nstest3.html. The login to visit the site would be guest, and the password would be guest. One can also access this program by using an app called Photon that is you can purchase in the Apple Store, so that you can use this application on your iPhone or more preferably on your iPad. The program costs $3.99. And this will be installed on your apps, and you access the program by clicking on this app button and then entering in the same URL that we showed before. Now the purpose of the program is to, one, have something that is easy and accessible to use. So we wanted a system that can be used on the computer or the iPad environment, so that it's not geographically constrained. And we wanted it to present individual herd data parameters. We wanted it to be updated very easily, so there's minimal work involved from the end user's perspective, but the data is always the latest production and reproduction data for a herd. We also wanted to be able to compare an individual herd against that of the parameters of a peer group. And so we wanted to have the option to select among a different range of peer groups by herd size, and be easily able to switch from one to the other. And with this, we wanted to be able to identify opportunities for an individual herd. In other words, if my peer group is performing much better on a given parameter than I am, then there's an opportunity. However, if I'm in the top 1 percentile of my peer group, then it's unlikely that I'm going to see further progress on that given parameter. And we also wanted the program to be prescriptive in the sense of giving an estimate of the economic value of an improvement of a given parameter to a goal. So in other words, not only identifying opportunity in terms of what's the probability or likelihood of a higher value, but also what's the economic inference that we would ascribe to a change in a value. And furthermore, we wanted it to be a portal to other systems. So I hope that you get on the system and evaluate it, as well as the other tools that it's linked to.